Ledges 423, my new listing here in the heart of Osage Beach on the 20-mile marker. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a boat slip. Decks are brand new and redone at the Ledges, comes turnkey. Let's take a look. This walk-in with a few steps unit comes with a 12 by 30 boat slip in dock 8. Also comes turnkey, and it has been a rental, so it is ready to go. For more information or to book a private showing, contact Krantz & Associates, 573-302-2355.